Alright everybody, it's here, the 20,000 subscriber special. So what is this all about? As you guys know who've been on my channel for a longer time, whenever I reach a landmark in subscribers, I like to celebrate it. The last time was actually 10K, so I kind of took a break from these celebrations, but now I would like to take a chance and thank everybody for joining the channel and do a 20K subscriber special. And what I would like to do is I'll live stream here on YouTube, and you can find a link to that in the description, and I'll play against you guys. So you can challenge me on Chess24 for a blitz game, and then I'll play against you guys, and we'll see for how long this is going to go. It will start at 6 p.m. Central European time, so German time also for those guys wondering. That is 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and 9 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time for my American friends. And I want to show you how this looks like, how you can challenge me. So you go to Chess24, you make an account if you don't have one. Well, this is the wrong one. You make an account if you don't have one, and then you can challenge me. This is my profile. You'll also find a link to that in the description. And right here below my name, you can see my mouse right now, there should be, not below my name, but below my profile picture, there should be a challenge me button. Actually, let me go to this profile and then we can see it. All right, so here, right there is a challenge me button. That will be, you can click on it, and then you can challenge me best for a 3-minute game, or maybe you can also play some bullet. Not sure if it's going to work, but we can try not any longer than that, because I want to play against as many guys as possible, many of you guys as possible, and then the shorter the time control, the more games I can play against you guys. So let me know if you have any questions about this. Once again, this Friday you can already set a reminder if you click on the live stream in the description, and then hope to see you on Friday and play against you guys. All right, so catch you then. Bye bye.